Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the minds of high-performing teams. Ever wondered how some teams just seem to work effortlessly together while others struggle? We're pulling back the curtain to reveal the real secrets of top-performing groups, what they think, how they operate, and what makes them unstoppable. As a manager, CXO, or leader, understanding these insights can help you elevate your own team's performance. Let's get into it. What's the cornerstone of a high-performing team? Trust. It's the foundation for everything else. Without trust, even the best talent will hesitate to share bold ideas or take risks. It starts with open communication. In top-performing teams, communication flows freely, from leadership to every team member. But it's not just about talking, it's about listening. Leaders in these teams know how to make each person feel heard, respected, and valued. Takeaway: encourage honest, open dialogue in your team. Make trust-building part of your daily routine. It's the fuel for creativity, risk-taking, and innovation. Here's the next secret. High-performing teams have crystal-clear roles. Each person knows exactly what they need to do. And, more importantly, they understand how their work connects to the bigger picture. Think of your team like a sports team. In high-performing teams, everyone knows their position, but they also know how to work as a unit toward the shared objective. Having a clear sense of purpose is essential. Without it, team members lose motivation. But when they know how their individual contributions impact the team's success, they work with greater focus and drive. Takeaway: define roles clearly, but always tie those roles back to the big picture. Help your team understand not only what they do, but why it matters. Failure. It's the F word no one wants to talk about. But in high-performing teams, it's embraced. They don't fear failure, they learn from it. Why? Because top teams know that failure is part of innovation. They see setbacks as learning opportunities, not roadblocks. It's not about getting everything right. It's about being resilient and adaptable. But it doesn't end there. High-performing teams also know how to celebrate success, big or small. Recognizing achievements boosts morale and keeps the momentum going. Takeaway: create a culture where failure is part of the process and success is celebrated. It's this balance that keeps teams motivated and thriving. The best teams never stop learning. They're curious, always seeking new skills, trends, and technologies to improve their work. But learning isn't just about gaining knowledge, it's about adapting to change. Adaptability is what separates good teams from great ones. Takeaway: foster a culture of continuous learning in your team, but don't stop there. Encourage them to be adaptable. The more flexible your team, the more resilient they'll be when things change. Here's something that often gets overlooked: emotional intelligence. High-performing teams don't just work together, they connect on a deeper level. Leaders with emotional intelligence build stronger teams. They understand the emotional needs of their team members and can manage stress, conflict, and motivation in a way that strengthens relationships. Takeaway: don't just focus on the work, focus on the people doing the work. Practicing emotional intelligence will create a more cohesive, resilient team. So, what do high-performing teams really think? They think about trust, clear goals, learning from failure, continuous improvement, and emotional intelligence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our next episode.